Hey, kamusta? Isang buwan na lang, 2026 na. I know you set a lot of goals when 2025 started. Siguro naabot mo yung karamihan sa goals mo. O siguro feeling mo you're moving too slow. Your friends, people around you, are achieving things faster than you. Alam mo, I'm here to remind you. Your direction is more important than your speed. Mas importante na alam mo kung saan ka pupunta. A lot of people are moving fast, but they don't know exactly where they're going. So don't confuse movement with progress. Hindi dahil mabilis may siguradong pupuntahan. Focus ka lang sa journey mo. Focus ka lang sa sarili mo. Focus ka lang sa mga taong kasama mo. Life is a race, and you are racing against yourself. Not with your friends, not with your workmates. Okay?